Do you like chicken? What about hot sauce? If you do, you're just like me. So subscribe to this channel and let's make hot wings. In today's video, we're making hot wings, grilled hot wings. Not just because it's a healthier alternative, but because I don't want to make my house hot. You're still gonna get crispy, juicy hot wings straight from your grill. All right, with only 6 ingredients, you guys can't really screw it up. And it's only 40 to 45 minutes from start to finish. So let's get to it. All you're gonna need is chicken wings, lucky, lucky chicken wings. Pink salt, no iodized salt. You can even use kosher. Black pepper. Because it's from a movie, it's a movie line. I don't like my gums because they black. Garlic powder. Get on down to the cornfield and get some cornstarch. Send me some of that cornstarch for later. Hot sauce 1, hot sauce 2. If you like, use them both. 2 foil pans. First up, cornstarch. I don't measure nothing, so if you want to know, it's about a 1/4 cup. We're just gonna dust the chicken and mix it around, but in order to get a little moistness, we gotta throw some of the hot sauce on there. You can use whatever you want. I would say about a 1/4 cup, but basically you're just trying to make a paste on the chicken. Okay, when it's mixed up, you're gonna mix this all up and it's only gonna have like a pink hue. The rest of the hot sauce is gonna come later. We're gonna hit it with some granulated garlic to taste. You wanna know how much? It's about a tablespoon, I don't know. If you like garlic, use garlic. If not, don't use a lot. There goes my Himalayan. We're gonna hit it with that pink salt. Hit it with that pink salt. Salty, salty. Okay. So just like the salt, we're gonna ground that pepper, that black pepper. And again, I don't know how much to use. I use about, I don't know, a tablespoon or so. Depends on how much salt and pepper you like. If you don't like to struggle with the pepper grinder, use the already ground up pepper. Okay, we're gonna mix all of this up so it makes like a nice little juicy paste. If it looks a little too wet, then add more cornstarch. Like I said, I don't ever measure anything. So I used about almost a 1/4 cup, but you see it's like got a pink little paste on it. I'm gonna throw a little more cornstarch on here and dry it up a little bit. That way it makes a nice crust on the grill. Okay, we mixing it up. It's only gonna be slightly a pink tint, and you want enough cornstarch to make it a nice paste. So it's almost like a hot sauce candy shell. So when it hits the hot grill, it makes a nice crispy crust. And if you can see it's kind of like a paste. That's the consistency you want. Not too wet, not too dry. Now, if it gets too dry, you can hit it with some spray oil or some Pam. You don't want dry chicken on there. Now it's time for us to go to the grill. Okay, we at the gas grill. You can use a charcoal grill if you want, but make sure you preheat that bad boy and it's nice and hot. We're gonna wanna sear these chicken wings so they're crispy on high heat. Check it out. Don't even be tripping on my dirty looking grill. It ain't dirty. It's just full of flavors because I cook on it about 4 to 6 times a week. You feel me? Now let's get to chicken. Okay, toss all these bad boys on the grill. You need to feel that sizzle. You feel me? Ooh, I know you hear it. I know you hear it. Yeah. Okay, these bad boys are gonna be on the grill for about 10 to 15 minutes on high. Then we might have to throw them back on the top, but it ain't no thing but a chicken wing, you feel me? We're just trying to make sure that it gets crispy and not burned. And you see why you need 2 foil pans. That's so you can throw this one away, and the new clean one is for the finished product. So what we're gonna do is get them crispy, toss them in some more Frank's hot sauce, then throw them back on the grill. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, you hear that sizzle? Now it's time to take these off real quick. Now I know you hear that sizzle. The chicken is not done. It's almost done, but we're gonna take it off like so, and we're gonna hit it with a little more Frank's. You feel me? So it's got a nice crispy texture. We're gonna toss the sauce. Ooh, wee, baby. Yeah, give it to all you wingies. Okay, toss it, toss it, toss it. Casey, toss it up. Ooh.
Whoa.
That was,
hey. Not 4th of July yet.
That was, they're celebrating for my, look, if you heard that, they're celebrating for my wangs, you feel me? Now let's put these back on the grill after they're nice and sauced. Bam. There was a bomb going off and shit. So look at that, nice and saucy. Okay, wings are almost done. They're in their second coat of Frank's hot sauce, but you need to cook your chicken to an eternal temperature of 165. I just know when they're done. They're gonna be crispy, juicy, and spicy. Next thing, we eat them, baby. Okay, now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The grilled chicken, the grilled hot wing taste test. Look at this bad boy. It's gonna be hot. It's that fire, yeah. Fire, yeah. Look at that. Okay, so if you like this video, like I like chicken, give your boy a thumbs up. Leave a comment below when you try it, and let me know how yours turned out. So, even though we had a cook outside today, boy Nyla and his chicken wings, we still making moves. That's good.